Diamonds on my neck, chrome drop top.
All right, so first I'm taking this super cheap, like $2 brow pencil or liner pencil or lip liner, whatever you want to call it. It's in the color dark brown. I got it from my local beauty supply store. I love it because I'm able to sharpen the pencil every time I use it, so I'm able to be really precise. And you know, I can rub my finger and wipe it off. So I'm just going in and mapping out exactly where I want all these lines. So my cheeks, you know, contour my cheeks kinda. It's gonna be a very harsh contour. You can look at it like that. I'm also creating like eye sockets, some little dimension in the forehead. You know, I need to look scully, and you know, like this fake little hole in my nose. You can make it as big or as small as you want to. This is really your creation. So now I'm taking a brown eyeshadow from my Kat Von D palette. You can use any brown shadow, and I'm just creating some shadows on my face. So I'm going against, like right up against that guideline, not going past it, and then I'm dragging it down, and that's creating like some faded, you know, you see what I'm saying. It's like really blended out and kind of fading away. Like I really wanted everything to just, I don't know, I wanted some nice smooth shadows, let's just say that. So I'm just going in on all of my guidelines and doing that. Oh, and I ended up making like this V right here. I felt like it, like, you know, added a touch of something. I don't know what but it looked good. And I'm just gonna keep on shading. Yeah, so I also wanted that mean look on my face, so I went and just feathered up the same brown eyeshadow right at the front of my eyebrows, and so it's looking like, you know, kind of like I'm shrugging my forehead, even though I'm not. And so now I'm going in with some black up against that guideline. All I'm doing is pretty much going between blacks and browns. Black needs to be right up against the guideline, and then the browns drag out. So now I'm taking the brown eyeshadow and I'm doing that as my transition shade / crease shade. And then I'm going to go into my crease with some black eyeshadow. All again from the Kat Von D Shades and Lights palette. Now for the glitter, I'm going to be using Revlon Photo Art, and you kind of just paint it on, and this is in the color Topaz Twinkle. And now I'm taking some black face paint from Michael's Arts and Crafts. You can also get it from Spirit Halloween, and I'm just drawing out where I want my teeth to be. As you can see, the only lines that I'm going to make straight are the ones right in the center of my upper and lower lip, and then the ones right on my cheek. But the rest of them that are like on my lips, I'm kind of curving them because I want it to look like it's like protruding. I want it to be kind of scary. You know, this is a glam skull, but we still need to look scary because it's Halloween. So I'm just creating those lines with my face paint. And you can create as many teeth or you can create less teeth. You know, it's all up to you. So I also ended up creating a line to like give that effect that it's top and bottom teeth right there on my cheek, because you know my lips didn't go that far out. And I'm also going to take that black face paint and go right along all of those guidelines so that it'll have a nice, crisp, defined line. You know, like we want it defined, we want it shadowy, we want it to be both. You know, can I just have it as both? So I'm just going to go in and do that for every single guideline that I did. And as you can see, I didn't like that. I was able to just wipe that with my finger, and I liked the way that it smudged right there. It gave me that, you know, that little dingy ass skull look, so I left it there. But yeah, just go along all your guidelines. I wanted the little V, or yeah, the V on my forehead to be still like kind of shadowy, so I didn't want definition there. So now I'm taking black eyeshadow from the Shade and Light palette from Kat Von D, and I'm going right up against that guideline. I'm doing that everywhere because now we need to make it look like it is hollow. So I'm just going in and, you know, like I said, I'm shading the hell out of everything on my face. And you can do it as much as you want to or whatever. I'm taking face paint right now and cutting out my crease just so that it'll have, you know, some more definition. And I felt like it'll just be easier to cut out the crease right over top of that glitter with the face paint. So now I'm taking white face paint and I am making some fake teethuses. So I'm just filling that in and dragging that out. I'm trying to keep them kind of in the shape of teeth. You know, like if you get your tooth pulled, you know what your tooth look like. So I'm trying to create that kind of look and not just go straight up and down with the face paint or whatever. So y'all gonna see me kind of create like kind of like a fatter head and then like a little tail on it and kind of flaring it out like a little tadpoles, like tadpole teeth. So I'm just doing that in between all of the little black lines that I created. And now you can really see the look like starting to come together, but we still have a ways to go. So now I'm just taking the tattoo liner. I want to say is it by Kat Von D? I don't know, but it's like a felt tip black eyeliner, and I'm doing my winged eyeliner and some detail lines on my face. And I also wanted to, you know, create some more definition on that nose hole that's supposed to be there. And now I'm taking a brown mixed with black eyeshadow and I'm just contouring my jawline. Oh, so I'm going in with the white face paint and I'm going like in between that detail line and those like hollowed out areas and, you know, putting some little definition. You know, we getting a little fancy now. And like I said, y'all gonna see me, you know, shading a whole lot. I actually cut out a lot of the shading out of the video so that it wouldn't be so long. So I did a whole hell of a lot of shading, you guys. On the other side of the Revlon eye art, it is like this metallic-y type thing, so I also went and did that on my face. And now I'm taking spirit gum and these jewels that I got from Michael's Arts and Crafts, and I'm sticking them where I see fit. So I got 2 packs, one with big jewels and one with small jewels. So the big jewels is what I'm putting on my cheeks, side cheeks, you know, and my forehead. And then I'm taking all of the small jewels and I'm putting them like for each tooth. So I'm just going in and sticking them. You can use eyelash glue. I choose to use spirit gum because, you know, it's a little stronger. It does the trick and it's not too hard to get off as long as you're just using a small amount. So I'm just going in and creating all of these teeth. I'm going to add some eyelashes and some eyeliner and some contacts. So guys, this is the finished look. Remember, you can do whatever you want with it. It's up to you. Remember to check into my channel every Monday in the month of October this year because I'm coming out with Makeup Monday Halloween 2K18 edition. So every single Monday, I'm going to be coming out with a brand new Halloween look. As always, I want to thank you guys for watching. Make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys next time in my next video. Bye.